Hello. Boy, you know, you'd never know where you're going to get your inspiration from in terms of a design or colors. And I look at a lot of people's paintings, I look at abstracts, and I look at photographs because I like to do landscapes as well. In this case, this is going to be a very interesting abstract with some variation on the techniques. And I did get my inspiration from this one abstract artist and the colors that were used. I want to do a very large canvas for this particular thing, so I'm testing it or trying it to see how my techniques will work on a smaller scale. The first thing I want to do, however, is to get the canvas covered with a base coat. And so this is just white base coat, but it does have a glazing medium in it. So it will hopefully create an interesting effect. We'll see. So let's just get the base down. All right, so I want some rainbow colors here. So I've got red, I've got Christmas red, canary yellow, and a warm sunset. These are by DecoArt and they're mixed. So I want to start with this area and I'm going to swipe the colors going up this way. Then I'm going to pour the other colors along the other areas. came out quite nice. I don't know whether that's going to be the upper part or the bottom part. It was supposed to be the bottom part. I just turned the canvas around so that I could blow it out properly. I just love the effects that are in this. The flows, I mean that blue, those blues, wowsy. Got rainbows. I think I might leave this alone. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. This was an interesting test for the big one. All right, hope you subscribe.